Welcome back for another episode of Mr. Fix It the Realtor. I'm Zach Lipson of the Jason Martin Group, and today we're going to go over something that probably everybody has run into in their home at one time or another, whether it is a loose towel bar, which I'm going to show you here how to fix, or your toilet paper holder, or a towel rack, anything like that that goes in the wall. I'm going to show you how to do that on this episode, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys something that I think is a pretty easy fix to do yourself. Takes just a couple minutes. I've got a loose towel rod, so I'm going to go ahead and actually there's a little set screw here, and I'm going to go ahead and unloosen that to pull this out. So here we've got a little set screw, which I'm taking a very tiny screwdriver. It's kind of broken, but it's very tiny to unscrew this. So very easily able to remove that. You can see the set screw here. Next, I'm going to actually pull this one screw out. I'm going to actually pull both of these just straight out of the wall. I can even do it. So this wasn't even holding anything, but I'll put two new pieces on here. So the new pieces I'm going to put on are going to look like this. So the nice thing about it being a bigger hole is I can put this, fold this here, and put it in the hole.
Where's that?
These come in a couple different sizes. I'm at home today with my daughter, so you can hear her. I've taken my piece here, I've inserted it. I'll just gently take the butt of my hammer to knock that in. And I've got another screw here, another hole there. I'm just going to make that a little bit bigger. And what we've got this will be more than enough to support this. Kind of a little bit overkill, but I like these because it spreads back out when it goes in, so you can't pull it out. So this one I'm gonna actually don't want to hit it too hard, but hard enough. So now I'm going to take my pieces here, just hand screwed in a little bit. You can even use a drill to make this go a little faster. So I want to make sure that I put this piece in first. This. And again, just gonna take my set screw, screw that in. Nice and tight now. Thanks for watching this episode of Mr. Fix It the Realtor. I hope you found this to be helpful, and as always, I'm looking for new ideas. So if you have an idea, please let me know. I might even feature you in one of my next episodes. Also, please make sure you subscribe down below, and stay tuned for the next episode. Have a good one.